Well, let's start. So in our session today, let's understand about the incremental loads on multiple tables. Come on, let's get started now. It's an interesting and simple item. Bit lengthy, but very interesting. Let's do it carefully, step by step. So what we are going to learn? Yes, on my screen. We are going to learn how to perform incremental loads. From source to destination on say multiple tables, say 2 or more tables in a loop using the for each activity in ADF. We'll take the input source tables. We'll take the input as source tables, and for each source input we need to have some processing on watermark columns, timestamp columns. Identify the new row inserts, existing row updates, nothing but incremental load concept. New row inserts, existing row updates. Get the data delta and perform those insert updates onto the destination table. So in this process, we use stored procedures. One procedure for each business table to perform merge operations. I repeat, we require a procedure for each of the input tables to perform dynamic merge operations. An additional watermark table to maintain the timestamps, and a procedure